on just outlining the dates and how this presidential and the running mates debates will be conducted. Let's just listen to what he had to say earlier on.
Go to a general election. We in the media continue to keep Kenyans updated on the ongoing political campaigns, as well as all other developments related to the general election. As part of our duty and contribution to a successful election, we are pleased to announce today that we, the national broadcasters, have once again come together to organize televised presidential debates ahead of the election. As you may recall, this same group of broadcasters successfully staged Kenya's first ever presidential debates in February 2013. In that year, we had 2 debates between 8 candidates, which drew intense viewership among millions of Kenyans across the country. These debates, which were also aired on all radio stations across the country, gave the electorate an opportunity to evaluate the respective positions of the 8 candidates on key national issues. This year's general election in August will be the second one under the 2010 Constitution, and will therefore mark a critical juncture in the country's journey towards a fully formed constitutional democracy. As broadcasters, we see our role as that of providing a platform where competing political visions for the country can be articulated and vigorously debated. Building on the successes and the lessons of 2013, we intend to stage 3 debates ahead of the elections. The first presidential debate will be held on Monday, the 10th of July at 7:30 p.m. The second debate will involve running mates of the presidential candidates, that is, candidates for the office of Deputy President. This debate shall be held on Monday, the 17th of July at 7:30 p.m. The third debate will be the second and final presidential debate and shall take place on Monday, the 24th of July, also at 7:30 p.m. The venue of the debates this year will be the Catholic University of East Africa in Karen. The 3 debates will take place in front of an audience of invited citizens and will be broadcast live on television, radio, and online platforms of all the participating media houses. In keeping with international best practice, the organizing committee has developed a format for the debates and is finalizing the rules and guidelines. These will be shared with the respective presidential campaigns and will also be published on the Presidential Debates website and on the various online platforms of the participating media houses. In conducting these debates, we are committed to entrenching a culture of civilized discourse between those who aspire to various positions of leadership, and particularly the presidency. We are looking forward to 3 vigorous debates that will not only showcase the growth of our democracy, but also hopefully help voters make informed choices. This committee will periodically brief the public as we continue to make the preparations. That is the end of my statement, and I now hand over back to Linus.
Thank you very much, Wachira Waruru.